Good morning, students, and welcome to our biology class. And as you see my background, you can see it clearly. It is a human body, and you can see the heart and too many tubes-like structure. So, yes, what we are going to discuss in this video. We are going to discuss circulatory system in this video, and it is very exciting because human circulatory system is a very exciting circulatory system. So let's start. Okay, let me share my PPT first. Okay, now this is our circulatory system. Human circulatory system is also known as cardiovascular system. Why cardio? Because in this system we use our heart. Okay, so let's start. Today's agenda. In this video, I am going to tell you why do we need circulatory system, what is circulatory system, means introduction, organs of circulatory system, and a very exciting part of the circulatory system is a double circulation. So let's begin. Why do we need circulatory system? In this slide, you can see that I have written supplies in nutrients, digestive system, oxygen, respiratory system, hormones, endocrine system. Then the second point is waste out. Carbon dioxide, again from respiratory system. So you know, our body needs to work continuously, so it needs energy. So can you tell me from where do we get this energy? Correct. We get this energy from food. Now from food, okay, we eat food, it goes to the stomach, it digests there, and all the digestive process happens there, and we get nutrients. Okay, now tell me one more thing. We get nutrients in our small intestine, then how will this nutrient reach to the each and every organ of our body? It needs transport, obviously. If we want to go from one place to another, we need transport. The same like this, nutrient also need transport. Now second part is oxygen. Our whole body part needs oxygen to work properly. You know, the oxygen works like a fuel. So we need this oxygen. Now, from where we get this oxygen? From respiratory system. We inhale air and it goes into our lungs, and this lungs is the main part of respiratory system, and it gives, filtered that air and gives oxygen. So now again, oxygen is in our lungs. How it reaches to each and every part. So here also we need a transportation. Same about the hormones. Hormones are also very important part. Each and every part of our body, each and every activity of our body needs a hormone. So, hormones also need a transportation to reach each and every part. Now it's the okay when we supplies it. What about waste out? There are too many ways, travel in our body. How it goes from to the filter for filtration. How it goes. It also needs transportation. So need to pick up and deliver the supplies and weights around the body is called circulatory system. Simple. Needs to pick up. So, nutrients from the digestive system, oxygen from the respiratory system, hormones from the endocrine system. It, pick up all these things and deliver it to the other parts of the body. And from other parts of the body, it takes the waste and remove it out. So this whole process is done by the circulatory system. So that's why we need circulatory system. Circulatory system is a transportation of our body. Now, introduction of circulatory system. Hope you understand why do we need circulatory system. So I know it very well that you understand what is circulatory system. Circulatory system. Circulatory system is the body system that moves blood around the body. The blood carries various materials like nutrients, oxygen, hormones, which our body needs, and take out waste and harmful substances from our body. And it consists of blood, blood vessels, and the heart. So hope you understand what is circulatory system. Achha, here I want to tell you one more thing. Circulatory means circular, means circle. It started from one point and finished on the same point. This is called circle. So our circulatory system is also start from heart and finish it to the heart only. Okay, so let's start. We talk about organs of the circulatory system. There are the three main organs of circulatory system. Heart, which pumps blood, blood which carries oxygen, nutrients, waste, hormones, etc. Blood vessels, which is needed to flow the blood around because blood is a liquid. So heart pumps blood and blood moves in the whole part of our body as you see in the picture. You see heart and moving all over blood. Now I'm going to tell you the journey of blood. So very, very exciting. Oh, obviously, blood is also an organ. Okay, that is also an organ and it also moves. It flows, you can say, because it is liquid. So blood moves from heart to artery, artery to arteriole, arteriole to capillary, capillary to venule, venule to vein, vein to heart. Now here heart. You know very well, you understood what is heart. Heart is a pump of our body. Now heart pumps blood, but heart is here, you know, behind the ribs of our skeleton system. Now how it pumps blood to all over the body? So it gives the blood to artery. Artery is a tube-like, hollow tube-like structure. You can see the red part of the in this picture, the red tube is an artery. Okay. And what is arteriole? Arteriole is the smallest branch of artery. Artery has many branches and these branches are called arterioles. Now I will tell you capillary a little late. Venule. Now obviously we need some other tube-like structure to collect waste, because it's not possible that in the same track you will supply good water and you can collect unfiltered water. It's not possible. Both the tracks are different. Same like that in our body. Both the tracks are different. We supply pure blood from arteries, but we collect waste, impure blood or deoxygenated blood through venule. Venule is the smallest branch of veins. So venules collect the blood from all the body organs and give it to the vein. And vein brings it back to the heart. This blue hollow-like structure is a vein. Now capillary. You can see there are purple color in between the red and blue. That is purple color. Purple color is called. It is actually capillary. What is the work of capillary? What capillary does? Capillary join the veins and the arteries, arteriole and venules, so that they can exchange good, blood and oxygen and nutrients and also the waste. Now this vein bring all the deoxygenated blood towards the heart. And here again heart pumps the blood. But one thing you have to know, that heart is only a pump. It never work like a filter. It only work like a pump. So this is the journey of blood. But heart pumps blood. Okay. Now how will you filter this blood, this impure blood, this deoxygenated blood? How will you oxygenate this blood? Here we talk about the double circulation of human body. Double circulation of human circulatory system. This is the only circulatory system found in humans. Okay. Why it is called double circulation? Because blood passes through the heart twice in the system. So that's why we call it the double circulatory system also. Okay. Now let's talk about the journey of blood and how it becomes impure, how it becomes pure, what is the use of double circulation, why it is called double circulation, each and everything in this slide. See, this is our heart, because heart is the main part. Heart is not only a pump, it is also a kind of storage. It is divided into 4 chambers, as you see. 2 upper chambers are arteria, left and right arteria. 2 lower chambers are ventricles, left and right ventricle. Left and right ventricles. Now what happens? You will see the blue side, right artery. Now all the blood which are impure, deoxygenated, which is collected by venules and veins, bring to the right artery. Veins deliver all this blood to the right artery. Right atrium collect this blood and give it to right ventricles. Now right ventricles supply this blood to our filter of our body, that is lungs. So it supplies the blood to the lungs because our blood need to be filtered. And the waste of that blood is taken out and the oxygen, is given up to the blood again. So now the blood becomes oxygenated and carbon dioxide is go out from the nose or mouth. Now when our blood is oxygenated, because the lungs work as a filter, so again we need pump. So lungs return this oxygenated blood to the left article. Okay, left atrium, to the left atrium. So here the left atrium collect all the blood and give it to the left ventricles. Left ventricles connected with the arteries and it gives the blood to the arteries and again the journey of blood started. So because here we use heart twice, that's why it is called double circulation. Okay. Hope you understand circulatory system well and double circulation also. And we'll talk about other system in our next video. So bye and have a nice day.